Did you know that 90% of the world's data has been created in the last 2 years alone? Quite a statistic, isn't it? This monumental surge of information is a testament to the rapid advancement of technology and its sweeping impact on our lives. We're living in an era where cutting-edge technologies are not just shaping our present but also carving out our future. To understand this better, we're going to delve into 5 such revolutionary technologies: artificial intelligence, blockchain, renewable energy, 3D printing, and the Internet of Things. Each of these technologies is a titan in its own right, disrupting traditional norms and creating new paradigms. As we journey through each of these technological marvels, consider their profound implications for our future. They're not just changing the way we live, work, and play, they're reshaping the very fabric of our societies. So, without further ado, let's dive into the technology revolution. As we delve into each of these technologies, consider their implications for our future. Imagine a world where machines can learn, reason, and even make decisions. That world is not a distant dream or a sci-fi fantasy. It's our reality today, thanks to the groundbreaking field of artificial intelligence. AI is fundamentally altering the landscape of information processing and decision-making. It's revolutionizing industries like autonomous vehicles, where AI systems are steering us towards a future of self-driving cars. In the realm of personalized medicine, AI algorithms are enabling doctors to tailor treatments to individual patients, enhancing outcomes and patient experiences. But the potential of AI extends far beyond these industries. It's poised to address global challenges like climate change, by optimizing energy usage and proposing sustainable solutions. It's also playing a pivotal role in public health, from predicting disease outbreaks to personalizing healthcare provision. AI is not just a technology of the future, it's shaping our world right now. Blockchain, the technology behind cryptocurrencies, is much more than just digital money. It's a groundbreaking innovation that's disrupting traditional methods of data storage and transfer. But its potential stretches far beyond just finance. Imagine a world where every transaction, every agreement, every process becomes completely transparent and secure. That's the promise of blockchain. In the financial sector, it's set to bring about a new era of secure, transparent, and decentralized transactions. In supply chain management, blockchain can track the journey of goods from production to delivery, ensuring transparency and accountability at every step. In healthcare, it can securely store and transfer sensitive patient data, offering a new level of privacy and control. And in voting systems, it can guarantee secure and transparent elections, free from fraud or manipulation. These are just a few examples of the transformative potential of blockchain. As this technology continues to evolve, it's poised to redefine our understanding of transparency and security. Blockchain is set to revolutionize our world with secure, transparent, and decentralized transactions. Can you imagine a world powered entirely by clean, renewable energy? Picture this: vast fields of wind turbines whirling in unison, solar panels sprawling across rooftops, and tidal generators humming beneath the ocean's surface. These aren't scenes from a science fiction movie, but the very real potential of renewable energy technologies. Harnessing power from the sun, wind, and water represents a transformative shift in how we produce and consume energy. This shift isn't just about reducing our carbon footprint or curbing greenhouse gas emissions, as crucial as those goals are. It's about creating a sustainable future where our energy needs are met without depleting the Earth's resources or damaging its ecosystems. But renewable energy technologies offer more than just environmental benefits. They present opportunities for economic growth, job creation, and energy independence. They promise a world where power is not just cleaner but also more equitable and accessible. Renewable energy technologies are not just a sustainable solution, they're a necessity for our future. Imagine if you could print anything you wanted right at home. Welcome to the revolution of 3D printing, a technology reshaping manufacturing and supply chains. 3D printing allows us to create complex, customized products on demand, reducing waste while lowering production costs. It's even making waves in healthcare, where it's creating patient-specific medical devices and even organs. This is a game changer, shifting paradigms in medicine and beyond. 3D printing is not just a technology of the future, it's transforming our world today. What if all the devices in your life could communicate with each other? Picture a world where your coffee maker chats with your alarm clock to brew a fresh pod as you wake up. Imagine a city where traffic lights converse with cars to control congestion. This is the promise of the Internet of Things, or IoT, reshaping our interaction with the world. From smart homes and cities to precision agriculture and autonomous systems, the IoT is not just connecting devices, it's connecting our world. These 5 trailblazing technologies are just the beginning. Artificial intelligence, blockchain, renewable energy, 3D printing, and the Internet of Things are not mere buzzwords. They're the vanguard of an exciting new era. They're changing the way we process information, the way we transact, the way we power our world, the way we manufacture, and the way we interact with our environment. Each of these technologies holds unique potential to revolutionize various sectors, from healthcare to finance, from manufacturing to energy. But their true power lies in their ability to work together, to create an interconnected, efficient, and sustainable world. As we move forward, it's crucial to stay informed about these technologies, their evolution, and their implications. The future is not a distant reality, it's being shaped right here, right now, by these transformative innovations. Join us in exploring the frontier of innovation. Stay tuned for more insights into the ever-evolving landscape of technology.